Hey there! Let's see the latest feature introduced by Konnector in the app. Now, instead of extracting the post by lead manually on the LinkedIn, you can do that just by entering a keyword in the app. Let's see how. First, go to the Social Signal tab in your Konnector account and add a keyword here. Click on Add Keywords. You will see that all the post related data to that particular search keyword will appear here. You can see the author name, the post, likes and comments on that particular post, and as well as the post link. Every day, the list will keep on updating. In a particular day, you can only do 3 searches. As you have searched this particular keyword, a lead list by the same name will be created in your leads tab, and all the leads will be populated inside it. If you do not want this lead list to keep on updating, you can simply turn off this toggle and Konnector will not extract more posts related to this particular keyword. If you want to create a campaign somewhere around this particular keyword only, just select all the leads of this particular keyword lead list and then you can create your campaign. This is how you can extract post just by entering a keyword in the app. Thank you.